I'm in Marin County, overlooking the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. And I've got my Canon T2i connected to a netbook computer running GBTimelapse. So I'm going to try and get a nice time lapse of the bridge in the city today. Although odds are it's not going to look that great. It's pretty cloudy, just sort of a gray sky. This netbook's running Windows 7, so I'll just start GBTimelapse. It loads the most recent project. I'd already set up this project for the Golden Gate Bridge. I'll take one shot just to get the composition right. There you can see the bridge and the city behind it. Check my time-lapse settings. And just go ahead and begin shooting time-lapse. Right now it's set to capture an image every 6 seconds. If I look at the History tab, I can just play the images I've captured so far, just a couple so far. It's been running for a little while now, so I'll move my mouse over the play button and play back the history of images captured so far. The playback's a little slow because I'm using screen capture software for this video, so it's not as smooth as it would be when running GBTimelapse on your computer. But you can see the scene's pretty dull, not very spectacular today, just some gray clouds moving over, a little bit of change in the sunlight on the water. So I'll end this session, and I'll show you how the final project turned out. Here's the final video clip. It was run through GBDFlicker to remove the flickering. You can see it's just sort of a gray day, not what I was hoping for, but an example of how easy it is to use GBTimelapse.